JobTracker is a free web application built by Propulsion Academy. It will help you to find open positions corresponding to your profile, write nice and clean cover letters and CVs, as well as to organize and keep track of all of your job applications. Let me show you how it works. First, go to JobTracker.ai and click on Sign up for free. This will redirect you to the registration page. For this example, I already have an account with pre-filled data. I'll go to login and log myself in. After logging in, you will land on the dashboard. The dashboard is the page where you can keep track of all of your job applications. There are different columns to organize the different open positions, corresponding to the current status. The wish list is where you add jobs that you want to apply to. This can be done either manually or via our own suggestion solution, which I will explain later on. Let's say you saw a job ad which you are really interested in, but don't have time yet to apply. Maybe you're on the train on your mobile phone. You can copy the URL of the original ad, and on JobTracker you can click on New Job. Then paste that URL, add the job title, add the company name, and other optional information like the contact, the industry, some notes. Let's say I saw that Chris is working there. Maybe I'm gonna ask him something later on. And in description, you could copy paste the content of that job ad and add this job. This will add it here in the wishlist column. Later on, when you have time, you can come back to JobTracker and have all needed information available. You can send your application and then drag and drop the job into the applied column. At any moment during this process, you can edit the jobs and add personal notes. Say, for example, here I want to add that I applied by email on 1st of December 2020. There is also a column for jobs where you have an interview coming up, for when you got an offer, a rejection, or if you have accepted an offer. Next, let's check out the Profile tab. This page is really important if you want to use the advanced features of JobTracker. By adding this information, you can generate a nice CV or cover letter, and we will be able to search and suggest jobs to you which match your profile. In the first section, you can add information about yourself and the skills you have. There is also a progress bar which will tell you if you are missing some information. In this example, general and contact information are not complete. Let's fix that. Clicking on General, I get a pop-up where I can fill my missing data. Let's add my name and my current position. And here nothing is missing, but just to showcase, you could add another skill, say Next.js. And the skill will be intermediate. I can add the skill and it will add it down here. I could do the same with the languages. I update my profile. Now we see this number went up. If I open it again, only the contact will show up. And also here I'm gonna complete my profile. Let's add a street. Update. My profile is now complete. By going further down, you will find the employment history, the education section, the contact and personal information, as well as a button which allows you to add custom categories. Maybe you like to add your hobbies to your CV. You can do it here. Add a new category called hobbies. And then you can add new events. Let's say I like skiing. You could add more information, the location, the date, and some links, for example, if you had conference talks or publications. Add this. When you have added enough information on your profile, it is time to check out the CV generator. In the Profile tab, you can click on Generate CV. In the first step, it will ask you which content you want to include or exclude. Let's say for this CV, I don't want actually to show my hobbies. On the second step, you can choose between different pre-built templates. You can change the colors, and you can also select if you want to show the proficiency of the skills or the languages. For example, here we have JavaScript. If I click on Show Proficiency, we will see JavaScript Intermediate. I'm going to take that out again. And when you're happy with the result, you can download the CV as PDF. Click that. I get a preview of that PDF. And look at this. I had to pre-fill some data, click a few times, and now I have a nice CV. I didn't have to struggle by looking for icons, aligning text blocks, etc. in a text software. Let's check out the next feature, the cover letter generator. You can click on Generate Cover Letter and select a job from your dashboard. This will open a multi-step form where you can fill information about the company, the contact person, and edit the pre-filled text. This address will then show up on the PDF letter. Here I can also add the contact name, his position, maybe his email, and his phone number. Here we get that pre-filled text, which I can edit. Let's say I don't want this piece, and I don't like this part. And on step 4, you can either draw your own signature with the mouse or upload an existing image that you have on your computer. The last step is as we had it in the CV. You can select from multiple templates, and you can change the colors. When you're happy with the result, you can then download the PDF. Next, let's check out a really cool feature, Jobs Suggestions, by clicking on the Jobs tab. If you completed your profile, we can use this information to find jobs that suit you. You can then click on the link to see the original job ad, and if you are interested, just click on the Add button to add it to your wish list in JobTracker. Senior backend developer at SwissDevs. If I go to my dashboard, it's down here in my wish list. In the Jobs tab, in case your profile is empty, or we can't find any jobs that match your profile, you will see this upload section where you can upload one of your own CV, and we'll get suggestions based on that. If you like to analyze your work and your progress, there is a report section where you can see different information and also download some data based on your previous actions. In the settings section, you can add admins. Adding an admin will send them an invitation email. You can have multiple admins. Admins can see your dashboard, profile, and reports. They can also add jobs to your wish list. When you moved a job to the Accepted section, you will see a button to notify all of your admins that you are no longer looking for a job. If we go to the dashboard, I move this offered job to accepted, go back to settings, I can click here and all my admins will get notified. Let's see how it works in the eyes of an admin. Admins have a Users tab where they see all administered users. By clicking on Dashboard of a specific user, they will land on his dashboard and will have access to the Reports section. Here I can see the current dashboard is from Cedric. By going back to Users and clicking on Full Profile, I also have access to the profile information of that user. The admin can also have his own profile with an image and all the content that any user can have. That was JobTracker in a nutshell. Please try it out. It's currently free. You can create an account on JobTracker.ai. Please also be aware that this is an alpha release. At any point of time, you have the feedback button accessible to you. We would be happy about any suggestion, feature request, or bug reporting. Thank you for listening and good luck on your job search.